So hello and welcome to Ghosh Law Academy. So today we are going to talk about the very sad incident which has happened in our Kolkata in Arjikar hospital. In this regard, the High Court of Calcutta gave the full authority to investigate this case, the CBI, and instructed the local police of Kolkata to hand over all the documents regarding this rape and murder case of the doctor who has been raped. High Court has instructed to hand over all the documents to the CBI within 10 a.m. Wednesday, August 14. And also the High Court has directed to the CBI authority to give relevant records or proof to make the investigation and file the first report on the next date of hearing, which is after 3 weeks. Information has been given in the description below, so kindly go and read the full description what the High Court has said or instructed to the CBI.